Hello, general video instruction for automatic decoder for pump locks. In this case, potent with 6 pins pump lock. Here's how the tool looks like. This is the main head. You can rotate it. Here in these 6 holes there are pins that we will reset soon. Tension wheel with small tension handles and turbo or pump wheel with starting position, and this is everything you can make with it. And when I turn it, you can see the main head is moving up and down. Now this is the lock, potent with 6 pins. I don't know if you can see them. And here's how the key looks like: first, second, third, fourth, fifth and 6th pins, like this. So third, push because it's pump lock, and now you can rotate it as much as you want. So first step before we start the opening procedure, we need to reset our tool, and this is how you should do this. It doesn't matter where this turbo wheel will be. Rotate the head something like 90 degrees because it will be more comfortable for you. Then you can rotate it back so it will be slightly locked. You still can turn it, but it will be way more stable. Now this is how the reset tool for this tool looks like, potent with 6 pins. And here from the back, in these small holes, you can push all the pins all the way in. You can see reset tool here touching the main body of the head, and like this you need to do 6 times. And now you can see all 6 pins here. Okay, now we need to rotate our head back, and you actually have 2 options here, like this, and it will be wrong. You obviously can see this is not the same. Now rotate it like this and it's perfect. Now the tool is fully reset. To start, turbo wheel on the starting position like this, obviously fully to the left. Now the lock has the orientation. In my case I put it like this, and now I can go in. The most difficult part with these locks is to keep the depth of the right depth. How to find it? Push the lock all the way in, rotate it to the right or to the left, and slightly pull it out. It will stop, and this is your working position. Now, why is it so hard to keep it? How the procedure looks like: you give it a little tension, not too much because you will break the tool, and if the tension is too much, you simply won't be able to unlock this lock. So we give it tension to the left or to the right, and with turbo wheel fully to the right, go back, and now we need to release our tension. But if you do it like this, you see tool is going out by push, the spring in the locks push it out. So what we need to do: find right depth, again 1 pump, and hold the tension wheel like this so you won't lose the depth, and like this. You can hear these clicks. This is a sign that the decoding is going on. At some point the lock will let you to rotate the tool further and further, and at some point you will be able to rotate it all the way. You can see I can make as many turns as I want, or as the door let me. Now I will extract it. Always remember, keep the rotating as much as you need when you first decode the lock, because when you extract the tool and in most cases if you try to put it in again, you will lose the code. Now I will try to show you it from the back, that this part is moving, but I hope I don't lose the code. And I actually lose it. Oh no, here it is. I rotate the tool and you can see this small thing that actually unlock the door or anything else is moving. And that is potent Pompas with 6 pins pump decoder by Luckylocks. General video instruction, and thank you and good luck.